Here restoration, renovate here. This is Diwane Khas. That's Diwane. That building you can see from outside look like a two-story. Inside no ceiling, just made of single story. That you can see from inside. Parliament. Like a Rajya Sabha. Yes. This is Lok Sabha. Please careful to walk. So all of you come this side, please. Our group come here. This side, please. Come this side, please. So that is called Parliament House and hall of private audience. That building just one of single story. From outside look like it is story because inside no ceiling, just made of only ceiling. Upstairs was there is closed now because that's a heritage city. Sometime elementary people make a noise, scratching the which that's why closed. Nobody gone top. This parliament emperor used at a time for meeting of cabinet. King used to sit up here on the center, around to sit all the ministers for consultation, advice, discussion. After decided announcement to public court. That passes 1, 2, 3, 4, the whole thing passes. It is connected to that pillar. This pillar, right bottom top one is stone, one pieces. Because Emperor Akbar had a 9 important minister, he belonged to each religions. So those time Emperor Akbar want to unify all religion collect together. That is the name of Deen-e-Ilahi. Because Deen-e are the words of Urdu and means of that. Deen means religion. A means one. Ilahi means God. God only one. But provider the religions. Because Akbar already who was the unified king. Top of there, that is called Hindu Jain architecture. Jain is considered part of India. Second, Buddhist, Persian, Catholic, Islamic, Hindu letters, Mughals, and down. It's very important art that's called Ahmad Khayyam. Everyone, have you heard Ahmad Khayyam?
Yes, yes.
He's from Persia.
Quite.
So this pillar only is single stone that because that is the look like a wood. But not a wood, it is not a bright sandstone, it's very heavy stone, very powerful. Brick is not a heavy, not a long life, this is long life stone. Because a lot of stone mines in this area rise from here. That is Diwane Khas. We have seen first one, Diwane Khas. Public meeting and private meeting. Please come. This side, all of you please. And watch your step please.
ചാടി കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങളാണ്
കുതിച്ച് കുതിച്ച് ചാടിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നു ഈ ചെന്ന സ്ഥലമൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് കാണാനുള്ള നമ്മളെ പുസ്തകത്തിലെല്ലാം വായിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ ഇത് അവസരം കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് ഒരു ഭാഗ്യമാണ്. ഇരിക്കാനുള്ള പ്രത്യേക കസേരകളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്.
അല്ല, ഇതൊരു പ്രത്യേക സംഭവമാണ്. പുള്ളി പറഞ്ഞു തരും, ഞാൻ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. അപ്പം പുള്ളി പറഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പറയാം.
ഇല്ല, അവൻ പറയില്ല, അവൻ പറയുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. അവൻ പറയാനിങ്ങനെ കൊതിഞ്ഞ് ബിമ്പി ഇന്ന് ഇത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ച് ഞങ്ങളായി.
അതെ 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 അതെ.
നിനക്കൊന്നും പണി കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടാകത്തില്ലേ?
Please just wait please. I will explain from here.
बैरिकेड लगा देगा। अरे पूरा मेरा दाढ़ी नोच पूरा चलो तो पंचमान सलीम के साथ चलो आगे इधर देखो उनको भी नोच रहा है। चलो यहाँ पे जो है
Call them sir, call them.
चलो
जल्दी जल्दी।
Can I explain or wait?
എന്തേ അതായത് ഇതിന്റെ അവശേഷിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗങ്ങൾ കുറച്ചൊക്കെ
Okay, sir.
അവരുടെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ
Okay, that city emperor built top of the hill because that's all hill area mountain. And there you can see in front of you that is called Panch Mahal. And why called Panch Mahal? Because there is a 5 stories. That's why called Panch Mahal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is not any wall, and whole thing is structure is standing by pillar, because total pillars 176. Ground floor 84, 56, 20, 12 and 4, and whole thing view of that look like a wedding cake. Because architecture is like a Buddhist. And why called Panch Mahal? Because that's building built with the 5 elements. You know, 84 pillar ground floor. 84 means 84 lakhs yoni, no, make a human body. 56 pillars, 56 bhog, different kind of sweets, no. 20 mark of Buddhist. 12 is a month. 4 is the direction. That's his 5 stories. In Emperor Akbar at a time during the summer night sit on the top with 3 coin tech to enjoy cool breeze and fresh air in evening time. And this time nobody go on top, everyone is closed, because from the top somebody take a relaxed photograph, view of city, but it's closed. You can see ground floor, it is very popular game of Pachisi, because known as called chess like Ludo 1, 2, 3, 4. In those time on the squad is to put mostly dice. But Emperor Akbar noticed to dice. In those days, 16 beautiful girls standing with different races. From the center, front die, they used to point right, left, left. That's called hopscotch. Have you seen Mahabharata? No, Shakuni? Same game of that. This is back side of Diwanayam. Front was there, and back is here. This was a school for the girls, and those time teachers was Abul Fazl and Fazi, because who wrote to law book Aine Akbar, Aine Akbari. Have you heard, no? Yes. This is the best place for photograph. Have you seen any Bollywood Hindi movie? Pardesh, Shah Rukh Khan Mahima, Yatim, Hi Raja, Garmhaba, Lal Pattar, Mughal Azam, Jodha Akbar, Yamla Pagla Divana, all was here. In Pardesh 2 song was here. First song, Ho Gaya Mujhe Pyar, Ye Mohabbat Bhi Ibadat Hai. Second one, Do Dil Mil Rahe Chupke Chupke was here. So this is the best place for photograph. After that we going to see second part. Okay? And he has been professional government photographer. Lot of people carry us with us mobiles, cameras. But he know very well about that monuments. He gave you immediately within a time, you know, angles, location, view. So if you want group photograph, individual photograph, he will take first photo with this seat, because it's seat king and queen. And then Jodha Akbar, Pardesh, Yamla Pagla Divana, different kind. So he talked to him.
ले लीजिए जिसको चाहिए फोटो ये देयर
Immediately, money don't advance. After receive photo, you have to pay.
I will give you photo. Same time I will.